Number 1. Students measured the mass of 3 rocks using a triple beam balance. What is the mass of the most massive rock? Rock sample 1, rock sample 2, rock sample 3. Please press pause, circle your answer, and bubble it in. Number 2. A student is given 4 blocks of different sizes and different masses shown below. Block A, Block B, Block C, Block D. Which of the 4 blocks shown above has the greatest mass? F, Block A, G, Block B, H, Block C, J, Block D. Number 3, states of matter: solid, block, straw, question mark, liquid, milk, cocoa, water, gas, oxygen, vapor, air. Which substance best completes the table above? A, rainwater, B, clouds, C, steam, D, brick. Number 4. Students found that a certain object was attracted to a magnet. This result means the students now know what about the object? The students know F, the length and width of the object, G, that the object is made of iron, H, whether or not the object will float, J, the mass of the object in grams. Number 5. The properties of several items are recorded in the table below. Which object has the greatest mass? Object: marble, washer, penny, thumbtack. Material: glass, aluminum, copper, steel. Mass in grams. Dimensions: centimeters. A, marble, B, washer, C, penny, D, thumbtack. Number 6. Students used a Celsius thermometer to measure the temperature of a sample of water. What is the temperature of the water sample in degrees Celsius? F, 24 degrees Celsius, G, 25 degrees Celsius, H, 29 degrees Celsius, J, 31 degrees Celsius. Number 7, investigating magnetism. Object: you have a paper clip, penny, nail, file cabinet, key, spoon, ring. Metal, non-metal. Metal, 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 metal. Magnetic: yes, no, yes, 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 no. Which conclusion can be logically made from the investigating magnetism chart above? A, spoons and rings must be made from the same material. B, larger items are more magnetic than small items. C, all of the items are made from the same material. D, pennies are made from different material than paper clips. Number 8. List the 4 liquid samples in order by their volume from least to greatest. F, W, X, Y, Z. G, X, Y, W, Z. H, Z, Y, X, W. J, X, Z, W, Y. Number 9. 3 balls were placed in a tank of water. According to the results, which of the conclusions appears to be correct? Balls 1 and 2 have the same density. B. Balls 2 and 3 have the same density. C. Ball 1 is more dense than ball 2. D. Ball 2 is more dense than ball 3. Number 10. Students were asked to measure the temperature of ice water and warm water. Ice water, warm water. Which statement best describes the two temperatures represented in the images? F. The temperature of the ice water is higher than the temperature of the warm water. G. The temperature of the ice water is lower than the temperature of the warm water. H. The temperatures of the ice water and warm water are the same. J. The temperature of the ice water and warm water cannot be measured. Number 11. This chart shows the results of an investigation about floating or sinking. Object, plastic ball, rock, coin, toothpick. Float, sink. What tools could be used to find out the mass of the objects in the investigation? Balance and weight grams. A. Balance and gram weights. B. Compass and meter stick. C. Goggles and thermometer. D. Graduated cylinder and hand lens. Number 12. This chart shows the results of an investigation about floating or sinking. Object, plastic ball, rock, coin, toothpick. Float, sink. Based on the chart above, which statement is true? All solid objects will float. G. Objects made out of wood will sink. H. Objects less dense than water will float. J. Objects more dense than water will float. Number 13. Salt in water, sand in water, pebbles in water. How would a combination of pebbles and water be similar to a combination of sand and water? They are solutions. They are evenly dispersed. C. They are mixtures. D. They dissolve in water. Number 14. Salad, school supplies, soup. All of the above are mixtures. Which of the following is true of each mixture above? F. Each mixture can be separated physically. G. Each mixture is also a solution. H. Each mixture has a part that dissolves. J. Each mixture has the same physical properties. Number 15. Students are observing earth materials. They put rocks and sand in the first beaker. They put rocks and water in the second beaker. They put sand and water in the third beaker. Which of the following best compares the materials in the containers? A. The first two beakers are mixtures of solids. The third beaker is a mixture of solids and liquids. B. The first and third beakers are mixtures of solids and liquids. The second beaker is a mixture of solids. C. The second and third beakers are mixtures of solids and liquids. The first beaker is a mixture of solids. D. The second and third beakers are mixtures of solids. The first beaker is a mixture of solids and liquids. Number 16. When classifying mixtures and solutions, which of the following would be in its own separate category? Water in a cup. G. Trail mix made with dried fruit, nuts, chocolate drops, and pretzels in a bowl. H. Sand, salt, and rocks in a bucket. J. Rocks and sand in the ocean. 17. When salt and water are stirred together, a special mixture is called a solution is formed. You cannot see the salt in the water because it dissolves evenly into the water. All of the mixtures below are solutions like salt and water except A. Kool-Aid powder and water. B. Sugar and tea. C. Rocks and water. D. Sugar and water. Number 18. Students experimented with mixing different substances in water. 2 of the mixtures they created are shown in the table below. Mixture 1, sugar mixed with water. Mixture 2, sand mixed with water. What is the difference between these 2 mixtures? F. Only mixture 1 starts with the liquid in a solid. G. Only mixture 2 can be separated with a magnet. H. Only in mixture 1 will the solid dissolve. J. Only in mixture 2 will the solid dissolve. Number 19. A student had a glass of lemonade and fruit salad for a snack. Which of the following is true about the mixture? A. The particles of the fruit salad mixture are evenly dispersed, while the particles in the lemonade are not evenly dispersed. B. The particles in the lemonade are evenly dispersed, while the particles in the fruit salad mixture are not evenly dispersed. C. The fruit salad and lemonade are both solutions. D. Neither of the substances are solutions. Number 20. A student made a list of ways to separate mixtures. Number 1. Use heat to evaporate the water. Number 2. Use a magnet. Number 3. Use a filter or strainer. 4. Use tweezers. Which method would not work to separate a mixture of pebbles and water? (21) Properties of solutions and mixtures. Solutions, mixtures. Place all of the following properties in the Venn diagram above by writing the number that represents each statement. Each statement will be used once. Number 1, not evenly dispersed. Number 2, can be separated. Number 3, evenly dispersed. Number 4, combination of 2 or more substances.